Two wireless giants. One tough choice for 2025. Which one really delivers? On the left, the magenta powerhouse T-Mobile, promising unbeatable coverage and premium perks. And on the right, US Mobile, the ultra-flexible upstart known for truly customizable savings. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. All right, before we dive in, let's zoom out for a sec. Here's our mind map. Basically, all the different areas we're going to compare these to. Coverage and network quality, price and value, perks and extras, data speeds and prioritization, customization and flexibility, and customer support and ease of use. If you want to see where one wins or flops, stick around. I'm hitting every point. Let's kick things off with coverage and network quality. T-Mobile is famous for its massive 5G coverage. Like, seriously, it's been crowned best in the US by Ookla and OpenSignal. If you're in a city, or even most towns, you're probably golden. But heads up, there might be a few dead zones way out in the boonies. Now, US Mobile though, this is wild. You actually get to choose between Verizon, T-Mobile, or AT&T networks. That flexibility is super cool if you're trying to catch the best signal wherever you live. With US Mobile's warp speed, you score Verizon's top-tier data. But, fair warning, some switching and setup can be fiddly, and speeds depend on your phone and network choice. All in all, T-Mobile just edges ahead here for most folks. Now let's talk price and value. Get ready for some drama. T-Mobile has some multi-line discounts and throws in perks, yeah, but those monthly rates? Whew! Unlimited can easily hit $85 or more, especially if you want the good stuff. And honestly, the prepaid deals just don't scream value. US Mobile, on the other hand, is almost made for deal hunters. Unlimited starts at $25 a month. Promos can dip as low as $17 if you prepay for the year, and you can build your own plan for as little as $10. Plus, the price is what you see. No weird hidden fees. Of course, you do give up a few luxuries at those prices, but let's be real, the value here is insane. This round, US Mobile totally wins. Now, on to perks and extras. T-Mobile brings out the good stuff. Apple TV+, Netflix, global texting, cloud storage. Like, it feels like they tack on every bonus to lure you in. Even the device deals and trade-ins are tempting. The catch? Their lowest tier plans go pretty bare bones, so you're not getting the streaming perks unless you pony up. US Mobile keeps it super simple, which, honestly, is kind of refreshing. But you lose out on all those streaming goodies and cloud perks. Hotspot is included on every plan, up to a huge 50 gigabytes on the premium tier, but that's about it. T-Mobile snags the win for perks, no question. Oh, and here's something cool most people don't know. With US Mobile, you can actually bounce between networks whenever you want. Think about it. If your signal sucks, just swap over. Kind of like a DIY roaming, right? That's super rare. Next up, data speeds and prioritization. T-Mobile's Go 5G plans are absolute beasts. 100 gigabytes or more of premium data, and you barely ever notice throttling. Even when the network's slammed, you generally keep top-tier access. But hey, their Essentials plans? Yeah, you might see data slowed down quick. As for US Mobile, their warp speed on Verizon is honestly just as fast as those big postpaid plans. The T-Mobile and AT&T options are solid, but not quite at the same level, and your priority on the network sort of depends on your exact plan. It's a close call, but T-Mobile gets the nod here for sheer consistency and top-tier access. Let's talk customization and flexibility. T-Mobile's got the classics. Postpaid, prepaid, a few tiers to pick from. But honestly, there's not much room to tweak stuff, and you're totally tied to their network. Now, US Mobile is a whole other vibe. You can switch between the big three networks if you want. And I'm not kidding. You actually build your own plan with as much, or little, talk, text, and data as you want. It's almost like designing your own phone bill. Sometimes you'll have to mess around with the details. But if you want max control, this is it. US Mobile totally grabs the win here. Last, but definitely not least, customer support and ease of use. T-Mobile's got literal stores you can walk into, which is awesome if you want a human touch. Tons of online help too, but gotta say, the customer service reviews are a bit all over the place. US Mobile just crushes online support. Seriously. Quick replies, great ratings, people seem genuinely happy. No stores, though, and if you're not super techy, some setup could trip you up. Overall, US Mobile takes the lead for support and ease, especially for the digital crowd. All right, so if you plotted all these categories out on a radar chart, you'd see T-Mobile dominating the premium stuff. Coverage, perks, ultra-fast data. US Mobile, though, is all about price, custom options, and top-level digital support. It's almost a split personality. Luxury giant versus scrappy underdog. So, what's my take? If you want that all-in premium experience, crazy good coverage, streaming perks, no-fuss plans, T-Mobile is your winner. But if you're all about saving cash, tweaking every detail, and switching networks like a boss, it's gotta be US Mobile, hands down. Honestly, both are winners depending on your vibe. If you liked this head-to-head, stick around. Next time, we'll compare even more plans so you can find that perfect fit for your phone, your budget, and your lifestyle.